Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy mashed potato and green bean recipe. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. All the measurements will be available in the description box below. So we're starting off with some potatoes which I've chopped, peeled and also cleaned, and I'm just going to be adding those into our pot. So you want to sort of shallow boil them, so you just want to add enough water so that the top part of your potatoes can get the boiling can boil basically. And then to that I'm just going to be adding a little bit of salt. We want to make sure that our potatoes boil in the salt just so that they can already be flavored. So after about half an hour you can test your potatoes and you can see mine that they are nice and soft. So I'm going to then proceed with the mashing process. So mine do still have a little bit of water, which is too much, so I'm just going to be reducing the amount of water. So the rule of thumb here is there should still be enough water for you to mash. If you are not sure, reduce your amount of water, and as you mash you can add more water just to soften it. So the first ingredient that I'm going to be adding is a little bit of butter. I'm going to mix that through into our potatoes, and then I'm going to start mashing with my masher. At this point you can reduce your heat or switch it off completely because your potatoes are already cooked through. So when you're starting, you'll see that your potatoes seem to be a little bit runny, but as you continue to mash it will start to thicken up, and you'll just continue to do this until you have mashed almost all of your potatoes over and start flavoring our potatoes. And you can see they're like really nice and soft. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding a little bit of Aromat. The amount that you add is definitely up to your own preferences. And then after that I'm going to be adding a little bit of milk. So in the description box I'm going to give you guys two recipes, one for milk and cream cheese and one for milk alone and another for cream alone. So you guys will decide which one you want to follow, but they yield the same result. Next I'm going to be adding some turmeric, and I'm just going to mix that up. And turmeric is an optional ingredient in this case. You can keep your potatoes pure and white, or you can flavor them like me and make them a little bit yellow in color. So you're just gonna mix up everything. Just make sure that everything is evenly distributed, your cream cheese is evenly mixed throughout. And then next we're gonna add our green beans. So I'm using frozen green beans, but if you're using fresh ones you will have to first parboil them, not overcook them. Parboil them for like 15 minutes and then cut them and then add them into your mashed potatoes. Frozen green beans are already pre-cooked, so you can just add them into your mashed potatoes. So I've added them in there, and then I let that sit for about 5 minutes before I continued to add my parsley. So this is dried parsley. You're welcome to use fresh parsley if you've got that on hand. And then I'm just going to mix that right into the mixture. And this is basically it for this recipe. It's quick, it's easy, it's nice and soft, and your potatoes will remain of this softness and consistency throughout. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also share this recipe with your friends, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.